If you're renovating your place, it's a great time to take care of a few other things that can secure your home and protect your whānau. If there's already a builder at your place, you could get them to remove or replace the part of the chimney that sticks up above the roof line. Make sure the framing inside the roof space is in good nick and that the roof is well secured. And if you need a new roof, think about replacing heavy tiles with something lighter. While you're renovating, check the foundations are in good condition and are well secured and braced. If an interior wall lining has been removed, see if there's an opportunity to upgrade the bracing inside the wall space. At the same time, check that any heavy exterior cladding is secure. Also check any retaining walls on your property and make sure they're not damaged. Clear out weep holes if you have them. If there's a builder or engineer around, it's worth getting them to check that your retaining walls are fit for purpose. Getting renovations done can be a great opportunity to see what else needs doing. That way, while you're improving your place, you're making it safer for everyone at the same time.